So today we will discuss about the half-life of reaction. Basically, the half-life is the time at which the reaction completes. 50% is known as half-life of the reaction. If we talk about the symbol, so the symbol for this is T1 upon 2. This is a symbol for the half life, or you can write this as T1 upon 2 as well. So for the basically for the formula for the concentration, we will write, like, we know that the concentration A, like A is what? A is the remaining concentration, right? A will be the equal to A naught upon 2. A naught is basically the initial concentration, right? So obviously after the half time, like after the half reaction is completed, so the concentration will be also the half of the initial concentration. So that's why we will write this. So let's put these both things into the formula which we derived in my previous video, which is A is equal to A naught minus KT. So A is here equal to A naught upon 2 is equal to A naught minus K, and time is basically T1 upon 2. This is right. Now we know that basically when we shift these values, this A naught will go this side and it will basically become A naught upon 2, and minus KT will go that side, so it will be like KT1 upon 2, and negative will become positive, and here A naught upon 2, right? Now this K will like this T upon 1 upon 2 will be equal to A naught upon 2K. So basically this is the formula in order to find the concentration, in order to find the time for, like, what will be the half time of the reaction, right? So remember this thing, this formula is for only the reactions in which A is converted into the products, and this formula is only for the zero order reaction, right? Only for the zero order reaction. Now let's look into the lifetime of reaction, right? Lifetime of reaction, right? Basically this is time, the time at which 100% reaction completes, right? So like consider that T is equal to, here T will be equal to TLF, which means the lifetime, and A will be equal to 0 because obviously the reaction is now completed, and it means that the concentration is now finished. So now we will put these two values in the equation, which is A is equal to A naught minus KT. Let's say A is equal to 0 and A naught minus K, and this T is LF, right? Now this equation would be equal to KTLF is equal to A naught, and now this TLF is equal to A naught upon K. Now this is the formula for the lifetime of the reaction, right? I consider that basically in zero order kinetics, unitary method can also be used. Consider that we have a reaction in which 100 molecules are finished, and now there are 50, and the 150 also finished, now they are basically 0. So the time required to turn 100 to 50 will be obviously the half, like 50% of the reaction is completed, so it means the time, the half-life will be A naught upon 2K. Now 50, now if you talk about 100 to 0, this will be basically, now the 100% is completed, so it will be A naught upon K. Like it's just you can see in order to imagine this. So I hope this is clear to you. If you have any kind of queries, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be very glad to answer you guys.